Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed coffee bar, so let's get on into it.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky.
Alright, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down, get it clean. I do have a red Keurig that I bring out for Christmas and for Valentine's Day, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. I'm going to be using this placemat. I did get a pack of these from Ross many years ago. So I'm going to put that down in between the two coffee machines. Now I'm just going to wipe down my little mug rack. I've got a ton of mugs. If you didn't know, that is one thing I do collect. I have a ton of coffee mugs. So I've got a variety here. Those red mugs I did get from Walmart this year with a little red handle. They're really cute. They were like $3 each.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
I've got these stands. I did get them from Amazon many years ago. I will try to link everything I can below. I've got this carousel for my Keurig, and then we've also got my carousel for my Nespresso pods.
Talked about everything that was on our mind.
Now I'm just going to start refilling my coffee station. As you can see, it's kind of self-explanatory here as far as what I'm putting up there.
Don't wanna be shy.
Alright, I've got these 4 jars that I put on the top shelf. I do fill them with all kinds of cookies for the season. I will go ahead and fill all of these with my stuff, and then I'll go through and change my labels. So as you can see, I've got a variety of different candies here. I got all of these at Walmart, including these cookies. My daughter already got into them, but they were so good, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything in their jars. Now, I don't know if they have these in the States. My husband did just get back from France, so he did bring these home, and my daughter loves them. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in with those little gummy hearts. And of course, you can't have Valentine's Day without conversation hearts, so I got a bag of those. My daughter already got into those as well.
Don't wanna be shy.
Alright, I didn't have enough containers for my M&Ms, so I'm just going to put it in my little milk pitcher here. We don't actually use that, so it'll be perfect. Like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and erase all of these little labels. I do use a chalk marker. These are chalk marker labels, so I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Now I've got this twine I got from Michael's last year. I decided to add a little extra touch by wrapping the twine in different colors around each jar and tying a bow. I did go through later and add some little felt stickers you'll see here in a minute. I got these from Dollar Tree. They do have similar ones at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all those places.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help.
And here's what they look like. I decided to add them to my topping jars too. I've got toffee chips, peppermint, and chocolate chips. So I added those as well.
Feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this.
I've got a variety of sprinkles and toppings like cocoa powder, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and then I've also got these Valentine's Day sprinkles. Thought that was cute to add if you want to add it to one of your lattes or something. Just gonna add some more little heart stickers just to tie everything together.
Loving this moment, can we stay here forever?
Got my little sugar canister and my little spoon jar. Now I have this little clear acrylic thing that I'm supposed to put my Nespresso pods in, but I am running low. I'm going to have to place an order, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it with these little felt hearts that I got from Michael's, as well as those little envelopes. I made those myself.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you.
Got this love sign from Dollar Tree. I think they have it again this year. I've seen it for quite a few years, as well as this candle holder from Dollar Tree.
Loving this moment, can we stay here forever?
Now, if you guys haven't seen my Valentine's Day DIYs, I did make this conversation heart wreath as well as the conversation heart pics you guys will see here in a minute. Definitely go check out that video. I really love this wreath. It is so adorable. I love anything conversation heart. It is like my favorite Valentine's Day theme. Now, this floral arrangement is all from Dollar Tree, including the vase filler. Got this love sign from Hobby Lobby last year. And both of these things are from Dollar Tree. You can find those little foam glitter hearts like everywhere nowadays. Here are the conversation pics I was telling you about. I'm just going to add them here just to tie in the conversation heart wreath up top. Those are so adorable. Really love those. I will link that video down below and above. You guys should go check it out. Now, I got these gold straws from Amazon a while ago and these heart straws from Hobby Lobby last year. I'm sure they have something similar. If not, Amazon always has stuff like this for super cheap. Now, I got these heart picks from Amazon as well as those little gem picks. Those are all from Amazon. Put those in there just to tie everything together. And then adding, of course, little felt hearts. Super cute.
Forever. I watch you as you drive.
Now, I did move things around for these napkins. I did get those napkins from Walmart. They were a little too big to put on the left side, so I ended up putting them on the right side. Got the Happy Valentine's Day little heart thing from Walmart this year, and that little bouquet of roses is from Dollar Tree. As well as this little heart platter. I do put my spoons on there. It's like a spoon rest. Now, I got this Valentine's Day heart felt banner from Michael's last year. It's really, really tiny and really cute. Perfect for a coffee bar or like a tiered tray. So I'm just going to go ahead and tape that to my shelves. Put it on the top shelf and the bottom shelf.
What it is about you.
It's all starting to come together. I got this little platter from Home Goods many, many years ago. I use it for Christmas. I'm adding those little felt hearts from Dollar Tree and then adding some fresh baked croissants because I love croissants with my coffee. And last but not least, I got these little towels from Dollar Tree a couple years ago, and that is it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my ideas. I did make a fall themed coffee bar. I will link that down below and above if you guys want to go check it out. But I thought this one came out super, super cute. Let me know in the comments down below if you decorate for Valentine's Day. I personally just do like little touches here and there on my island and my entryway, and then of course my coffee bar. So let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
I'll take you anywhere you want.